Hello guys, today October month is going to come. We are in the end of this month. So let's see the live stream of Shareit, intraday trading. We also have a lot of courses which I will be explaining later. So let's see the market today. So market is, you can see the market opened here with a very high note, but after that you can see a little bit of decline here. So we can expect the decline till more now. Right now 25,940. We can expect more 30 to 20 points down. Let's see about the equities, how they are performing today. So we can see today is exactly the reversal of it. So all these 2 days we are seeing the buy market, but today we can see the sell market. So it will be a new experience for the beginners who can see this. So because today advance is only 17 equities and 33 are going down. So let's concentrate and see who are all going down and what's happening. So symbol wise, yeah, you can see these are the top 5 stocks which is doing good. Out of 17, these are the top 5, and out of 33, these are the bottom 3. These people are top 5 in that. So let's select a price wise, because we always want to do that. A low price 168, and a little bit of mid range from here, and one more from this, and this is little bit, but this guy's doing top, so I want to go for this. Okay, so very low price, so I would say Tata Steel, Hindelgo, and instead of JSW, because I want to take a very high price one which is more than 1,800, so I want to take this. Or if you, maybe we can check this out also, 168, 1,000 and 3190. So Tata Steel, JSW Steel, and Adani Entertainment. So we are selecting 3 from here. And what about for the down? That's very important. So I'm going to select BEL, because that's only 285, and rest of the everything is like super high. I mean, yeah. So Reliance we can take. Then we can talk about Hero Motor Corporation. Okay, so let me open all these things. I'm using a third-party chart looking options. Okay, so the first one is Tata Steel. Tata Steel chart is here. Yes, I hope you can see everything. So we also open our, we have a sheets which we are working on. 27th, Shareit live predictions are there. So I'm going to open this and, create a sheet which says 27th September 24. So I'm gonna do a duplicate of this and call it as 30 September 24, so that we don't have to type a lot. So I'm just gonna say Tata Steel. Yeah. So we are not gonna do any current price. I'm gonna delete all this data. Predictions, and buy reviews. You can see what happened in the 27th. Some of our traders also did a lot of profit in this, right? So that's it. Okay, so what are the products we're gonna add into this? Is Tata Steel, yeah, JSW Steel, and Adani Entertainment, right? So let's add that first. JSW Steel. I'm gonna so we got the three stocks. I'm gonna delete all this data. We're gonna feed the fresh data on this. Let's see how it works. So before predicting this, the market is going very good, but let me do it fast. In this, we are doing BEL, then Reliance, then Hero Motor Corporation. BEL, Reliance. Done. So let me clear all this data. Data is done. Let's go to the Tata Steel. We don't have time. Yes. So I want to analyze Tata Steel. You can see the open and close of it. Tata Steel I've added in my app. I'm using Zero the Kite app. So I have some indicators in that. Okay, so the market is going up. So yes, so it can reach till 170 for sure, which is here. The 1 more rupees top. And any other movements will be there. Yes, we can expect other movements, but not immediately. But in maybe in few hours. Okay, so right now we are seeing like 169.30. So I'm gonna put that 169.30 at 11:10. Yeah, our prediction is 170. Yeah, 170. Any other predictions are there? Not right now, but I would make a mark of 170.50. I'll put star for that. Sell prediction we are not doing because it's a green market, it's a buy market, it's a bull market. So we are predicting on the uprising of it. Okay. So that is one analysis. Okay, now when it goes to down, what is the prediction of down? Prediction of down, there's a huge chance to hit 168. But will it happen? Right now, it's not possible. But that right now might change. Okay. So I hope everyone is seeing this fully. If you want, I can just make it little more bigger. Yeah. So now you can see it nicely. So right now it's 169.25. The market is 169.25 or 30 like that. So we are expecting, this is a very small scale market, so don't expect so much activity here. So I'm saying till here it'll go either in up or in down here, but down man there is no chance right now. Market is doing good. So it might breathing, you can see the breathing point here. So this is actually the today market, right? So market started from here. So you can see the breathing, it touched 168 one time and it also touched 170 two times, 1 and 2, and also it tried here. Now it came, it didn't touch 168, but from 168.40 it again going up. So Now it's again breathing. So we'll see how much it can take. So if you want to see this, you can see this as a mimic, a up and a down here, then again an up. So let's see what happens here. So that is Tata Steel. We already logged in. Let's go to JSW Steel. So JSW Steel also added. You can see today market. It was very wavy. It's not going so high. I mean, you know, but it has a very gradual going up. You can see that. Let me see with my indicators like what they are saying here. Okay, so JSW is going slowly up and up. I think now is the right time, but at the same time we can. Okay, let me tell you the predictions like 1 2. Let me document this 1 2 1024.50. That's the documenting time. It's like 11:13 a.m. we are documenting. Yeah. So it might go. It has to break the first 102650. If it breaks 102650, there's a huge chance for it to go till 1035. When I'm saying it already started moving, you can see that. So I'm predicting 1035 easily. There's a chance I can give you a lot of targets on this. 1040, 1045 and plus. So 1045 plus also it's possible today. Downwards, I don't want to give anything right now downwards. Maybe 1020. That's it. But it will not go, so you don't have to worry on it. Maybe for a stop loss scenarios you can keep. I'm not even talking about stop loss nowadays. Okay, so that's the JSW steel. You can see it will, it has to break this 2060 again, 102650 again. If it breaks up, there's a huge chance for it to go. Let me put it in this way. Yes. So 1035 is the one prediction, which is here. It might go up here. So, you can do your back testing first before investing. Remember, market investment, share market investment is always subjected to risk. So you have to be very careful on doing that. 1040 and 1045. These are the three targets. I am analyzing it, suggesting it. So I want you to backtest first, do a paper trading, document it, open your Excel sheet or open your notebook, or write it down, do a imaginative trading with this, and let's see what happens. Okay. Okay, so good. So that's JSW. Let's see what are the other things. Before going that, I want to refresh it and see like any other changes which is happening in NSE India. Yes, so JSW is still there. Adani Entertainment is still there. Tata Steel went up because of from the fifth place to here. So let's check the Adani Entertainment. Sorry. Adani Enterprises, I was keep saying entertainment. Yeah. Okay, so you can see the market like started a little down and from that it took a very good peak. And let's see how what's our analogy says here. Meanwhile, you can see it already reached JSW reached 170 mark. Yeah. So JSW already reached is 170 thing. One seventy ten it touched. At 11:15. So in just in 5 minutes, it touched it. And then again, the second target we are giving is 170.50. Let's see. As I told you, it's like a very small margin thing, but that's how it works. Now we are seeing Adani. So let's analyze Adani now. Adani Enterprises. Yep. Okay, so the market already here, you see this point. In this point, already market hit the highest of today. So what's gonna happen now? Probably it's gonna come down for a bit and then paddle in between. But still, it didn't see the highest peak yet. So many twist will be there in Adani today. So let me bring out like this. Adani Entertainment, Adani, sorry, I keep saying Entertainment Enterprises. Right now, I'm documenting at 3180. Okay, 3180 at the time of 11:20 a.m. That's the time we are documenting. So the current price right now is that. So it's keep pedaling and going down. So it's going down. So I want to predict some sell first. I would say 3172. It will reach 3172 or 73. I would say easily 73. 3173 is the touchdown. It's easily achievable. It's already 3176. You can see clearly what's happening. From there, it might come to second slot. If it is keep coming down, I would say it should go up. It will go up. Yeah, that's there. 3173. Then we can say 3165. Then there is also a chance if it is keep coming down. Okay, it's already touched 3173. We can see that. So see, from almost 13 points, it went down just like that. So prediction sell is already done. Three one 7 3. So fast the market is going up and down. It's like a breathing. So you can see our targets are hitting so easily. 3165 is possible. I want you to back test it before applying the real market. I want you to do paper trading. We are also training a lot. You can see the market is going. So I told you that you will get a lot of twist. Even though it's a buy market, but we got the sell hit immediately, and it is right now in 3171. 3171, 3170. Let me see in between this. Restore the connections of that. Yes, keep coming again. Our second target is 3165. Let's see what happens. 3165 is here. We don't have time to put lines also because the market is going so fast. So otherwise I would have put some lines for you guys. Okay, now time to predict the up market. Okay, it's still gonna go down. I can see it, but for up market also we can do it right now. So before it hits 3165, I can tell you it right now is 3172, so we can expect like 3180. That's the first target. And I can give you, yeah, every 10 points I can give you that. 3190, definitely it will hit. It's all sure targets. And 3195 is also possibility is there. 200 also possible, but I'm not going to confirm right now. I want all these three targets to hit first. So it hit already 3173, which we predicted at 1120. It happened just in just in 2 minutes. That happened only in 2 minutes of time. It happened like that. Okay, so meanwhile what we do is we'll check the other product. It's still pedaling. It's not going up. What is let me keep here, and you can see JSW. We said predictions are sell predictions 1020. So we predicted at like 1024 at 11:13 a.m. So after that, whatever happens, 11:13 is here. So we expected 1035, didn't happen. 1040, 1045, nothing happened. 1020 at least, no. It down also didn't happen, up also didn't happen. So it was like very, and Let's go to Tata Steel. Tata Steel, we already got one hit here at 11:15. In just 5 minutes, we got one target hit. Then now we are expecting at 1770.50. So 170.50 is somewhere here, so it has to go up. And in the down scenario, we are predicting at 168. That is not happened because it's breathing and it's going up, which is good. So let me check 168 right now. We are expecting at 3165. So 3 more rupees down, we'll get the second target hit. Let me restore it. You can see Adani market right now it's 169. We already got 3173 hit. Now our second target is this 3165, which is only 3 more rupees down. Even though it's a up market, as I told you, it's already achieved its peak. So now it will, in a breathing process, it is coming down. So we can think like how much it can breathe. 167, 166, 165.55, 50 more paise points. We can touch it. Three 165. That's what we are waiting for in the target to. More 0.7 is there. 55, 35, 15. That's it. So we got the second hit at 11:29. So we predicted at 11:20 on 3180. We got two hits back to back. So I'm gonna document that 3165 hit at the time of 11:29 a.m. So now we have a proper documentation of what exactly is happening. That's very important. So this is also done. Even this also has been done. And this is done particularly. I'll put a little dark green so that we can see it. Yes, so the next target is 3160. It's already reached 3163, right? Yeah, so Adani is taking our full attention here. So we already got 2 slots done. You can see here, there's 2 already hit as our prediction. I wanted to see other products, but this is happening so fast, so we cannot move here and there. I don't want to confuse you guys. So the market is going good on Adani Enterprises. But we didn't even still explore the sell market, but in buy market, we are exploring the sell here. That's what intraday is for you. Intraday, like, we don't know what is happening in which time. So as I said, intraday is like a river, like you should flow with it. To flow with it, you should know what you're doing. Otherwise, you will be vanished somewhere in the market. It's very interesting. It's very fast. If you don't know, it looks like very risky. But if you're a swimmer, if you know the river, then you will have a great fun in it. You know when to go, how to do it, and how to come out. You should be very careful in that. And right now we are predicting 3160, the last target of the market on Adani Enterprise. Now we can see 3165. We are again, it's trying to go up and go down. Okay, so meanwhile, we'll also check for other products. JSW is still breathing, and Tata still is not achieving the second point. Let's see, it has to come up. In the process, what will happen? We have to wait and watch. So meanwhile, we also, I also have a daily classes for people, so you can come and join. We are taking live classes. You can try to fill this form. I'm gonna put this form link for you in the live chat. You can always fill this form and join our live classes. You can give your name, mobile number, profession, and how you know this. Level 1, we are charging 3,000 rupees. You can scan this on your wallet, and you can pay the thing. So what do you get for this? You get this, like, we have 3 levels of program I've designed for you. Level 1 program is 3,000 rupees, which is a 20-day course program, like Monday to Friday. So 4 weeks we are spreading out. So the first 10 days, you'll be understanding the basics of what is chart, how to pick the right stocks, executing buy sell trades, margin calculations, how to set up stop losses, and create some strategy which is safe at the same time a winning strategy. And also what is mind discipline in trading, and risk management, the psychology of risk management, everything. So all these things you will be understanding in the first 10 days. It's a 20 days program. So in the first 10 days you are getting all these things. So what happens in the next 10 days, we are going to dive into the advanced techniques like indicators, what is market flow, how to understand the market flow, what are the golden rules of trading, and what are the strategies for market entry and exit. So how to predict the trend, understanding the sideways market, and what is moving average and scalping. There are a lot of techniques in intraday, so we are seeing very important techniques where we can achieve it. Okay, and in level 2 we are also trying to teach everything in a practical way. So we are putting all these theories, whatever the knowledge you gained, into a practical way. And you will be making 3 paper trades, and you will be submitting to me for the next 20 days. Again, it's a 20 days program where you will be paying another 3,000 rupees to get into that, and where we'll be mainly discussing about your decision making on each trades. I'll be analyzing your strategy, practicing your discipline, and I'll be checking like on what discipline you are getting daily. So we are all using this backtesting method, and I will be personally, checking your paper trades. Everyone should do 3 paper trades, and the people who do paper trades, I'll be having a healthy competition, like who is earning what and how much. So the top 3 earners will not have to pay for the level 3. Others has to go with a normal payment mode, where you will be having your own demat account, and we will be trading in a real-time market like how we are doing now, right? And I will be again monitoring your live market performances, your strategies, and your mindset in the real market conditions. So the ultimate idea is to get a knowledge in the level 1. You should have some knowledge. Then with that knowledge, you are doing practice. So by doing a lot of practice, without investing money, without taking any risk, you will be getting a lot of confidence. So once the knowledge has been done, we are putting into the practice to get the confidence. Once the confidence you got, we'll be going to have a real market experience, right? So this experience will give you some kind of financial freedom that is there. You can also follow us in Instagram, and that's the thing. So let's go back to our so there's a form which I circulated in the live stream, so please take a look at it. So already again it's again touching one more time at 170. So if you want to do some kind of scalping, you would have done that. And this is also trying to go up, but our target is way far more high, which is 1035. JSW, our target is 1035. And Adani Enterprises, we have 3180. Is it coming up? No, it didn't touch 3180. So our current price is our buy prediction, so don't get confused on it, because when we do it, already market went down. So that is why we are doing like this. So now there is a chance for it to hit. Or if you really want to be considered, I can increase this to 5 more points so that you have a valid reason of doing the buy predictions. So I updated buy predictions for Adani from 3180 to 3185. So you have a 10 points here. So let's see, wait and watch whether it will touch it. So 3160 is here. It didn't touch the third target. Now it's trying to hit the current market, the normal market price. Any other updations from here? JSW 20, no. Okay, so it went to 7010, but we are expecting 7050, which is here. Okay, so what we'll do is, why don't we draw a line? 7050. We want a horizontal line on 7050. Yes. Color we'll give green color, not a dashed one, normal line, so we can see that. Okay, so we can clone this and put it at 168, which is so down, so we don't have to worry that much. This market today, yes, so this is what for Tata Steel, and same for JSW. I'll copy this and I'll paste it here. Pasted, but yeah. So according to the documentation, JSW 1035, 1044. But I'm gonna keep it on one targets now because it's taking a lot of time to achieve that target. 1035 is there. Right? And what about for the cell tile? Cell tile is 1020. That is also somewhere there. But anyway. Okay, instead of 1020, right? So you can see this is the scenario for JSW right now. Yes. So now you can clearly see what's happening, what we exactly thinking. So if it reaches again here, we already got one set here. I'll tell you that also. Copy. paste. 170 is our target, which is already has been hit. Okay, it's already hit by 2 times. So remember that. And 2 times it has been hit. This is not happening as we are expecting. And here in Adani, it is going like that. So we have two hits here, 3173 and 3165. 3173. I'm going to change this color. The first hit. Second value is 3165. So you can see both has been hit and it is still going up. And we are also expecting one more. If it goes down one more time, then a chance for this. Okay, so what about for the hub? We have 3185, right? That's our first green. Then we have 3190. I remember the numbers, so I'm just using it. We'll double check anyway. Yes, 3185, 3190, 3195. So now we have to see like Adani whether it's performing here or not. So we have 3 targets up, 2 targets. It already did 2 targets. You can see it crossed here. Now it's pedaling here. Might be it can touch again here and come back and do something here. Let's see that. So meanwhile, we can just, yeah, you can see it's keep pedaling here and there. But we want to achieve this. Once it's done, we are out for Tata Steel. So meanwhile, we are trying again this. Let's refresh it and see what are the new products came. In this, there is no much of a change. Here also, we have Bell, Reliance, and Hero Moto Corporation. Okay, so let's talk about Hero Moto Corporation now. Okay, so what you're saying is a down market. Yes, let me see the market analysis here. Okay, so the market already started like after 10 o'clock, it already went into super low. Now, can it go more low? Yes, maybe 30 points. Okay, so I'm going to document it first, then I'm going to lay out because documenting is very important. Right now, the price is 5727. Okay, just randomly going for it. I'm not typing the exact because market keep jumping here and there. 5727. Right now it's 5729. Okay, let me put to 9 if you want. Yep. Now, predictions buy. No, I want a prediction sell. Why? Because it's already in the downtrend. So first I want to do that. So I would say 5 7 29, right? 15. 5 7 15. Then 5 7 0 5. These two is possible. More is also possible, but right now I'm not saying anything. But these two are possible. If it is coming back, if it is surviving, then I would say definitely 5740, 5750. More I could say, but right now I'm just predicting this. So 3 targets we have, and in sell may we have 2 targets. So you want, we can lay out, we can lay out the lines now. So let me bring these lines here. First the green one, 40, 50, and 60. Okay, done. 40 is here. 40, very light one. Then on 50, another one. This is for our understanding we are doing, so we can easily see like what's gonna happen. So you see it's trying to touch, 70 immediately, 740. So meanwhile I'll put another mark for the low trend also, 1505. 15 is here, so that will be the light red. Okay, so this is what here, and let's see what happened here. Adani is trying to pass our current market price and trying to achieve our first buy target. What happened to the JSW? Is still breathing inside. Looks like a sideways market, and Tata Steel is again doing the same breathe. We can see the, instead of going to 168 here, it stopped in 169. So it's trying to go up. So that's why the breathing is trying to pick up here. You can see the pickup. You can see the pickup here. Let me show you that. You can see that. So it was like breathing 172, 168, 172, 168. But then it stopped into 169. It's not going to 168. So there's a chance to go up. Here the same peddling is happening. So I don't see much changes in JSW. But yeah, here we already touched this one and this one. And now we are again going up. 3185 is our touchdown. We can keep see here 3185. We already predicted it at 11:20. Now time is 11:51. So 3184 You can see I've just made buy targets in the text also. So we don't have to always open this. So we can see the buy and sell targets here easily. So we don't have to go to the Excel sheet again. So whenever we open, we can check it out. 3185, which is the one we are looking out for already in this. 3173 is done. Okay, just so it's keep peddling here. Let's go to the Hero Moto. Uh, so what are the buy targets for Hero Moto is this. What are the sell targets? Okay, so now you can clearly see what's going to happen. Our buy target and sell target. Okay. JSW is not performing. This is still breathing. It has to go up now. Adani is also breathing. Because we are reaching the 12 o'clock time, sometimes market might struggle. So these are the targets we are checking out. 3173 is already hit. It is again hitting one more time. It was hitting many times here. So I don't want to document all the times. And 3165 also we already got the hit. Now we are waiting for the last target, which is 3160, right? So, but it is not achieving the buy target, even though Adani is in the buy trend, because of this top achievement which has already happened, which has already crossed 3200 mark. So that's why. So yeah, maximum we can expect is 3195. That's why I'm not giving the target of 3200, because that's a very big, milestone for any, like every 100 points is like a milestone for them. So we don't want to predict so high on that. Okay, so yes, buy target here 1740 is achieved because of the line. We can see that it's achieved at 1156. So 5740 has been achieved. Let me color that. Yeah. 5740. It at 1156, right? Yeah. So the first hit has been done. Second one, we are waiting at 5060 and 1574. So you can see it is coming back. It touched the 1 point. Now we are also have to achieve the 50 mark. Let's wait and watch. So if you understand the buy market entry and exit, I want you to log into our channel and get registered to yourself. You can also watch our live streams. We are doing live streams daily. I'm doing live streams from 11 o'clock to 1 o'clock, exploring top five uh, equity markets and bottom five equity markets. And I'm also giving you targets. You can backtest this. I want you to do paper trading of that before you get confidence. If you don't have experience on it, invest a very, very little amount, like, very less amount, like where you can, even if you lose it, you can manage it. That much little amount I want you to invest. Uh, if you really want to invest, otherwise don't do that. I want you to do only back testing, because these all might be a targets for me, but for you, I don't know your experience level, your knowledge level, your confidence on the market. So uh, I want to mentor you, then only I can know about it. For mentoring, we have classes, but in the live stream, if you're directly taking these calls and using your money and you want to take some risk, then it'll be huge for you. I cannot guarantee those things. By why? Because I don't know whether you're following my guidelines properly, because when you're doing real market, your mindset will change even though you have a mentor with you. Because you don't have knowledge and confidence and experience, you might take wrong decisions, which will end up in losing your capital. So I want you to be careful on that. It's not a joke, it's all your hard earned money. So I don't want you to throw away easily. So these four products we are seeing today. Let me add one more product also onto this. I'm just waiting for the Hero Moto to hit the sell target as well. So we are getting two targets on this buy and also the sell. Two more points. Adani again crossed that 173 mark, trying to hit the 165 again, second time. So I predicted some targets and it has been done two times now. So if you would have missed in the first time, you would have done it again. Hero Motor Corporation is going to hit the sell target, first target, which is 5715. We are waiting for it to happen, which is 5718 right now, 18.90 right now. Let's see how much it goes. Previously it went up to 5716. You can see here 5716. Now it has to touch this down to get it. Okay, so meanwhile, can we explore the other option, which is Bell? But I want to see whether the Bell is still there. Instead of going to Reliance, I want to go to the low amount and see what's happening in that. Let's keep bouncing again. So you can see the bell is gone out of the race. It's not in the bottom five. But yeah, Reliance is still there. So we can see all are very pricey. So I don't have any other option to check on this. JSW is still there. Tata Steel is still there. Adani is still there. So all these are okay. Hero Moto also is still there. So we are happy to run these four things right now. So I'm gonna add one more thing which is called Reliance. Okay, let's check about that. Yes, you can see the market opens up here in almost like 3031. Right now it's like 50 points down. So let me see what exactly is happening here. Reliance. Okay, so Reliance is kind of twisty today. Low market, but at the same time, yeah, there might be an attraction is going on for the moving average. So I would say 2981. Let me document this right now. Reliance, the current market is 2982. Yeah, 2982 at 12.6. Okay, so buy call is a little bit buy call we can do right now because the market is little bit going up. So 2982, I would say 2986 max. Not more than that, but it's a very small number. You're not going to do anything in that. Maximum it can try to 2990. Yeah. Or 95 also is possible. But I'm going to give a star to it. It's not that confirmed. Then when it goes down, yes, down we could say 22,982, right? That's our current market price. We started predicting at 182, so I would say 75. Yeah. Then 2970 is also possible. $65 also possible. More is possibility is there, but I want to check the market because possibility is there till 2950, but I don't want to give anything to right now. So let's see this Hero Moto. Hero Moto is not happening. Adani is struggling, going on. So 170 is hit at 1115. Okay, so here we can see this one. So this is the update in the text. You can see what really happened. Sell target has been already done for us. 1085 didn't happen actually. We are waiting for that. It went to till now. So even though it's a buy, Adani is in the buy, gaining momentum, but we are not getting it because it already oversaturated today. But still, we are waiting for it. Hero Moto also we achieved the first target. We are waiting for 5750 and 5760. And our sell targets are this, right? Okay, so Reliance, we have some notes for them, so we are not doing the lines here and text here. 2980, we are saying 2975 gonna go. So let me do the downtrend first. 75, 70, 65. So I'm gonna select this. 75, yes. 75, 70 and 65. Yeah. So three levels we have, looking good. And upward we have 86, 90, 95, which is very small. 86, 86, 90, 95, right? Yep. That's a starting, but still we are doing it. Let's do a text also, so we have a clarity. Done. So let me check now again. So we have a buy target, sell target, lines has been drawn. So let's see how it works. Hero Motor Corporation, we are waiting for sell like 5715. It's still trying too hard to break this 5716. And this one is already hit 3173 and it is again trying to hit 3165. Once it done, we are waiting for 3160. And in the buy target, we are trying to achieve 3185, which has not happened all this time. And we have a lot of calculations here and here, but it's not even moving. So I hope I will be removing JSW soon because it's taking a lot of time to move up. And Tata Steel is again, you can see like 2 times touchdown has happened and it is coming down. We are waiting for 70, 50. We already put a star for it, so it will be a very doubtful to achieve it. But still, that's the scenario. So now we can see it is breathing here. Now it is again moving to 168 phase. Will it touch 168? That's what it is. It didn't happen from here. Our live stream started at 11 o'clock, so it didn't touch 168. So let's see whether it will touch the 168 mark. Okay. So you can see Adani again touched the second target. Right. I don't want to put again another timing because that's how it goes up and then we want to see only 3160. We are waiting for that. Yes, Adani is trying to pedal here and there. And we are also planning to bring out like episode based learning, so you can purchase a 1 hour uh, you know content, and you can learn many stuff from that. It's not a recorded version, or sometimes a live analysis will be there with you. I'm just navigating that idea, like let's see how it goes. So you can join the live classes, or you can download some pre-recorded videos where you can learn it. For a very lower price, I'm trying to bring it to you, like 99 rupees per course, something like that, per episode. So whatever episode you really want to learn, you can just do that. It's fully customized. You can also join our live every day. You can see this. We are doing live continuously, and we have some videos for you. So I want you to join this community, and slowly we are taking up forward. For a course, you can use this link and you can always join the level 1 course. I also have a kind of community, WhatsApp community we have. You can join to that community and take the informations whenever you want. JSW is growing very slowly. You can see from 11 o'clock we have been watching this. It's going very slowly. When we watch the current market was 1024, now it is 1029. The 5 rupees has been up. So 1035 we are waiting. Because the possibility was more, so that's why I didn't give 1030 as a target. I pumped up directly to 1035. But it is struggling, we can see. Adani again touched 3165. It's running on there. Moto Hero is not touching it. Reliance is trying to touch the 75 mark, which is our first sell call achievement might happen. So we are waiting the Adani to touch this. It's right now the market is in 165, 164.55. JSW is also trying to touch that 1030. It's 1030 now. Tata Steel is still surviving in 169. That's our base price. You can also type your stock equity name. I can do some analysis for you in a live chat. You can always do that. Reliance is trying to touch the 2975 point. 2 more points are there. It is struggling in that 2976. We can see that. We are predicting this from 2982. Now already 6 points down. At 12 o'clock we predicted. Now the time is 12:23. 6 to 7, 6 to 5 rupees down. Hero Motor Corporation is trying to break this 5716 mark. Once that done, we can see some changes. Even the Adani is trying to break that 165. It's getting some kind of support there. One 163, 162 started breaking it. 161.60. Adani is breaking it again. Our third target is 160, 3160. And you can see it is breaking like more here. In Adani Enterprises, we got three sell targets. All the two targets has been already hit 2-3 times. Now we are targeting on the third one, which is 3160, and the touchdown has been done on 1225. So 3160 has been done. Hit at 1225, and it is going down more. There are a lot of targets there, but I'm not giving that today. Safe strategy is always very important for us. So we started at 3180. We did everything here. 3173, 3165, and 3160. All has been hit. I'm just documenting this also. Yes, three targets has been hit. It's very nice, and we got one more target hit in Tata Steel and Hero Moto. One target is done. We are waiting for Reliance targets. Now we have to wait for the buy target. Let's see what happens here. And we can also see Hero Motor Corporation hit 5715 target, the first target. At the same time, five seven one five hit at 12:26 a.m. The second one is at 1705. I'm going to document this on Hero Moto. So totally we have in sell, we have did 4 targets today, and in buy we did 2 targets. Let's see what are the other targets I'm missing. Reliance is trying to hit the 2975. It's not happening. Hero Moto is trying to go down more. Adani hit the bottom rock and it is coming up again. JSW is going down, and once it's all normal. So we saw something happened here and there. So our buy target, our sell is already done, which is good. So 3 targets we gave: 3173, 65, and 60. 3173, 22, 11 o'clock, 11 something I gave. So 11:20, 20 I gave. So 11:22 we got the first hit, and 11:29 we got the second hit of 65, and 12:25 we got the third hit, which is 3160, which is here. So you can see this, our first hit, second, and now the third. 3 targets. In Hero Moto also, we gave sell target 5715, which got hit right now. And buy target also we gave 5740, that also has been hit here. So 2 targets, one in buy and one in sell, which is awesome. We are doing literally a scalping here. We are waiting something to happen in Reliance. And we are also waiting in JSW for a long time. It's not happening. It's like very slow. 5 more points. I don't know, it might take 30 more minutes before the live stream done. We'll see some changes over there. Here 168 is what we have in mind. 168 is what we have in mind for the sell call. Let's see that. I don't want to give more sell trades here because this is an uprising market. It will go like that crazily. We know that. Yes, in Hero Motor Corporation, it touched the second target also, which is 5705. So 2 targets only I gave in this. There are many targets, but again, we are not exploring much in this. So 5705 has been done. It at 12, I would say 30. So 2 target has been done in Hero Motor Corporation. This is also done. Five seven zero five. So total in sell trades, we got almost 5 sell trades and 2 buy trades. We know like market is going more on sell call today. That's our prediction in the beginning of the market. Again, I don't want to give more points on Adani. It will go down or it will go up. So now we have to wait and watch whether Hero Moto can touch the second target, which is here, the 5750 and the 5760. That's a long travel, long journey is there to do that. And Reliance is slowly coming down. You can see the breathing. Okay, let's see what happens. In Hero, we achieved 2 targets and 1 buy target, 2 sell target and 1 buy target. In Adani, we tried to achieve 1 buy target, but it came till 184.50, then it went down. Our buy target is 185, so we missed it in a very close call. But because the market is pulling down so much, so it achieved 3173, 3165 and 3160. back to back 22, 29, and in just in a 1 hour of time we achieved all these target. JSW is still struggling. It's 1030. According to the chart, you can see it's uprising. So maybe we can expect, the 5 more points. We can do like this, the 5 points, it touched 30 here. So 25, touching here. 15, 30, 10, right? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 1 hour. So maybe it will take 1 more hour actually. Maybe at the time of 1:30 it will reach, if it is going in the same speed. Tata Steel, reading, Adani is trying to get some support here. And sell target is going more down. Hero Motors going more down. 700 points. Told you there will be a lot of points in Hero Moto. I could give you calls now also in this because it will go more down. We know that. Let me check some other thing in NSW. What's happening now? The market has been changing. 14 and 36. And you can see it's keep going down. Nifty's keep falling. 50-50. JSW is still there. Tata Steel is still there. But Adani has been moved out because of this drop in the price. It has been moved out from the top 50. And we got Hindelgo. If you want, we can check Hindelgo now. And Hero Motor is still in there. It's going so down, so it still be the bottom top 50. Axis Bank participating right now. Reliance is still there. Hero Motor, Reliance is there, but Axis Bank is taking the part of it. You can see something called 52-week high, which is like year-week high. So number of stocks at 52-week high is 144. So let's see if I click it, what data I will get from that. Yes, you can see new 52-week high and low. Okay, so 52-week is 144 and 52-week low, which means in this entire year, today the market price is so low. I mean, comparing to the entire year, the 52 weeks of comparison, the market is so high and so low. So what are those are high and what are those are lows? Even this also you can check out. These are all like different companies. You can see Hurrient, Autobees, Access Gold, Bank ETF, Bensel Wire. Some companies we can identify. BPCL is still there. So the current market price or the market price, whatever it achieved today, which is the 52-week high. That is also one of the knowledge you can gain today. Like, you can also see 52-week low. I mean, today price is the lowest price for the past 365 days on the 52 weeks. So you can see a lot of companies here. They can just finding out the companies which we know. JB, can find out these are the companies which is seeing the performance of 52 weeks low. Most active, are we checking any active here? Meanwhile, I'll just go through the slashes here. JSW is trying to come up. This is natural. Yes. So these are the most active. Tata Steel, we are checking out. You might say it's not so active, but comparing to the price of the Tata Steel, that is active. Top 20 gainers and losers. You can see the 20 list. These are the gainers list. You can see all these companies in the gain list. We are checking mainly on Nifty 50. We also have other, indexes like Bank Nifty, Nifty Next 50, which is the top next 50 companies. Okay, you can click it and see gainers in that. So more almost like DMart, Havels, Ambuja Cements, IRCTC, Bank of Baroda, all these companies we already know. Bank Nifty, Federal Bank, Bank of Baroda, IDFC, all those things. So Tata Steel is again trying to come up. JSW Steel is also fighting. Adani is getting some energy here from this line 160, and this went till 1690. 15 more point from our sell target. Now Reliance is trying to pedal in between this. Now I can clearly see how our prediction is like how much is working, how much is trying to work, everything. JSW, we are waiting to achieve its first buy target 1035. 1030 is also a target, but we didn't do it. It's okay. One zero 35 is the target. So we are waiting to get it to achieve. Let's see what happens. It will take time. I expected 1 more hour to reach it. Reliance, everyone is in the mid position now. waiting to do something. In Bank Nifty, the people who are not performing so well today is like Canara Bank, Punjab National Bank, Kotak, SBIN, State Bank of India, Indus, HDFC, ICICI, and Axis. I want you to backtest before applying the theories because I have an experience and knowledge and confidence, so I'm predicting it, analyzing it. I don't want you to do it because I don't know the level of knowledge you have and the confidence and also the share market experiences. So I want you to backtest it. If you really want to learn, then you can join to our, join to my courses. The form link has been pasted in the live stream. You can take it. You can try to sign up for. Every Thursday we are opening a batch. So coming Thursday batch also you can take it. You can join that batch and I'll add you in a WhatsApp group where you can, you know, get all this knowledge like how to handle this market flow. So I'm going to take some most active equity and see what we can do from here. Uh, like a price wise, sort by value. Okay, so sort by value we are seeing. Reliance Tata Steel, we already checked it. If you want, we can work it on HDFC. It is, you can see minus 1.42, which is a downtrend. Let me see the prices of everything, which is 169,000 rupees, 3,000 rupees. So Adani is going more down. 1050 is also possible. I told you in the live stream. Now you can see it already crossed 1050. That possibility is there in Adani. But we are not predicting it because 3 target is more than enough to predict. Too much going down is not that safe. Reliance. I want to do something with the last minute predictions if you want, or maybe just checking the market. I'm looking for something which is in 700, 800 rupees. SBIN is there. Okay, let me check SBIN. We already did SBIN today morning. In my market, I did 9 to 11. Okay, so the market went very low and it is again going up. Good. So let me check the analysis of this of SBIN. SBIN, yes, it's going down. Very good. Right now it's 1864. I'm not going to document this, right? Sorry, SBI Live. No, it's SBI. SBIN, yes. Yeah. Okay, so it already touched certain now, so it might go up for a bit of 795 till 795. The chances are there. If it is going down, it can touch 790 from here. Going down possibility is also there, touching up, so it's like a kind of, you know, sideways now. So that's the status of SBAN, either 795 or 790. That's the up and down for it. Reliance, any moment? No. Hero Moto, I don't think it'll come out. And Adani is going down. We already predicted it will go to 150. JSW is also struggling a lot. I thought we can show like 1035 hit. Tata still didn't do much. It got one target. So if you see, Tata still we predicted at 169.30 at 11:10. We got a hit of 170. 170 at 11:15 a.m. Okay. Prediction sell didn't happen. JSW we are predicted this much, but nothing happened. But in Adani, we we went in the market like 3180 at 11:20. We predicted all these things. 3185 was like almost a very close call of 0.60 paise, but we didn't get it. But what we got today is like prediction on sell call of 3173 at 11:22 a.m., which is like 2 minutes from here, and 3165 at 9 minutes from the prediction hit. Then after from a 1 hour of time, we got the third call also, which is 3160. Right? Bell we didn't look out today because it was moved out from it. Reliance, we are still working on it. We have a predictions running on. Let me check the current scenario on Reliance. Yes, Reliance is still trying to touch that 2975 mark. Only 2 rupees down. Now 1.5 is down. So if that touches, it will be good. Only 1 rupee down is there. Let's wait and watch what happens so that I can document it. 2976. Will it touch 2975? Because that's our first sell target. Okay, it's fighting on it. Meanwhile, I can go here. In Hero Motor Corporations, we predicted buy and sell call. So we got one buy call, 57 hit at 56, which is 10 minutes from the prediction. Then 5715 sell call got hit at 12:26. Then 5705 also got at 12:30. Back to back sell call has been hit. So now we are waiting for 2975 Reliance sell call hit, but it is not happening again. It's going out. So we have last 5 minutes of our live stream. Let's see what will happen. Always we have this kind of climax, last moment some products will be doing some miracles. JSW is still struggling. Struggle is still there, and Tata Steel is just pedaling. Don't know what to do because 170 it hit two times. After that, it cannot do that. You can see the volume also is very high here. After that, the activity is gone from the market. I can see that traders lost interest on the market right now. It might come back. So Adani Enterprises, now it has to come back. How much it will come? It didn't hit the 3185, but it's a very long journey. It's not going to happen in 5 minutes logically. So Hero Motor, we are waiting for 5750 to hit, which is again a long journey, 50 points, which is not going to happen in 4 minutes. But there is a chance for Reliance to hit it. Why? Because it's only 1.50 points pending to get the first sell call active. So our eyes on this. Meanwhile, SBAN, we are discussing about either 95 or 90, right? Yeah. Anyway, want you to, you know, subscribe to our channels and try to get the live always. We also have Insta account, so I want you to check on that also. So yes, so I'm gonna close the Tata Steel thing. Uh, there's a chance for it to get touch this, but it has to cross this. It's not gonna happen in 3 minutes of time. So let's cross this. And JSW, it tried its best to reach 1032, but we are expecting it 1035. There is one more target is at 1030, but I didn't give that target because I thought JSW will push it very faster than it will touch to the 1035 mark. But it didn't happen. It was struggling a lot. Adani, we got sell targets, all three targets hit. So that's it for today for Adani. We closed it. Hero Motor Corporation, we got one buy target and we got two sell targets. One buy target here and two sell target, one and sell target two here. And it is still peddling, still market is there. We are closing the live stream. That doesn't mean the market is get closed. We still have the market till 315, 320. So you guys follow these targets and let's see what happens. Yes, we got Reliance hit on 2975. Okay, so finally we got that. Before we close the live stream, we got the hit at 1259, or I would say 1258 also. So this is done. Two 975 hit. Everywhere I'm putting AM. I don't know why. So is there any chance for us to see the second hit of 2970? Let's see that. It's 2973.60. Let's have a call. And JSW is also I'm trying to close now because we reached our time of closing the live stream. It is getting some kind of support there. Possibilities are there, but it's not happening. For the traders who are watching this, trying this trade, you can send your screenshots like what you achieved with this market. You can also suggest me like a stock name. I can analyze that. A request from a trader, I can do that. And yeah, the market is, we are trying to close the live stream now. See you tomorrow in the market. And this is our YouTube channel. I want you to subscribe it. I want to use this link to get registered for a training session, 20-day trainings we are having. You can do that. Let's see. Happy trading and see you tomorrow. Bye, guys. Take care.